Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making Nigerian buns. Here I have about 500 grams of flour, then the milk is about half cup, then I have 1 egg. I'm having about 100 grams of butter, teaspoon of nutmeg and salt. Stay tuned while we do this together. I'm going to be adding the already sieved flour. And then I add the nutmeg and salt. A teaspoon of baking powder is also needed. At this stage, I'm going to be adding the butter. After I must have mixed the butter very well, I'm going to be adding egg now. Kindly make a hole at the center of the bowl and put in your egg. The milk comes in now. Kindly add the milk bit by bit. In order for you not to have excess water, I may not really make use of all the half cup. This is the remaining milk. You can see I didn't make use of all the half cup. So this process takes like 5 minutes. We are going to be setting it aside and get the oil ready. Cut the dough into portions for easy moulding. So we're going to be putting it into the oil to fry. You are expected to preheat the oil before frying. You can actually make use of frying pan or pots. I usually make use of the two. Sometimes I'm frying with pots and I'm also frying with a frying pan. So a lot depends on what you want to do. You have to also remember to turn the buns in order to fry the both sides. Once it turns to golden brown, kindly remove the buns from the oil. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.